Okay, we know. Renting a dumpster isn't rocket science. After you finish a home improvement or decluttering project, the last task is to get rid of the construction debris, junk, and clutter. While there are some alternative methods to choose, let's examine the simple step-by-step process to renting a dumpster. 6 steps you will follow to rent a dumpster. Step 1. Centralize all your construction debris and/or clutter to help determine the scope of your waste removal project. Step 2. Research dumpster companies in your community. Step 3. Call and speak to a dumpster consultant. Step 4. Collaborate with a dumpster consultant to agree upon the best dumpster size and rental period for your project. Step 5. Fill up your dumpster with your construction waste and/or junk. Step 6. Call the dumpster consultant back to schedule a pickup of your bin. Here are some tips you should keep in mind. Collect your construction waste and/or clutter in one area. It is recommended that all waste is collected in one area. The garage is a good location. This way you can estimate what size dumpster you need for your waste removal. Research possible dumpster service companies. Do a quick Google search for dumpster rental and you'll find dozens of local companies that provide this service. One way to help you separate your options is to read online reviews. Customer service expectations you should have with dumpster service companies. When you call or submit a dumpster request to your local dumpster rental provider, note the following. Did they answer the phone or did the call go to voicemail? If it's the latter and your call isn't returned in less than an hour, then they may not have the capacity to service you. Who is answering the phone? Are they able to pay attention to your needs? Do they ask you questions about your project to provide you the best solution? Are they operating their dumpster truck? If you submitted a request on a dumpster order, was the request followed up immediately, or did you receive follow-up hours or days later? The company you select should be an expert in this field and provide the best solution for your project. Once you've booked your dumpster, ask for a confirmation email to assure your delivery is scheduled. You're all finished with the dumpster. Call back your provider to arrange pickup of your bin. To avoid potential damage to your driveway or car tires from nails, ask your dumpster provider to sweep up the remaining debris left on your driveway. If you're satisfied with the service provided, do them a solid and leave them a review on Google, Yelp, or Facebook. It's that easy. A pretty simple 6-step process on how you will rent a dumpster. If by chance all your questions were not answered, check out our website for more info. And if you like this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.